Hi guys, back for another video. I hope you had a great weekend and that you're able to get out and enjoy the sunshine today. So I have two activities for you today. The first is this song here. Just like last week, our song has three parts. I kept the same colors. Part 1 is the pink, 2 is the green, and orange is the number 3. So what we're going to do is learn each part individually and then put it all together. So here's part 1. Let me sing it for you once, and then the second time I'll have you sing it with me. 1 bottle of pop, 2 bottles of pop, 3 bottles of pop, 4 bottles of pop, 5 bottles of pop, 6 bottles of pop, 7 bottles of pop. So anytime I've taught this to the kids at school, the part that messes them up is this right here, that the pattern changes, 7 bottles of pop. So watch out for that part right there. Listen to it one more time. 1 bottle of pop, 2 bottles of pop, 3 bottles of pop, 4 bottles of pop, 5 bottles of pop, 6 bottles of pop, 7 bottles of pop. This time sing it with me. 1, ready, go. 1 bottle of pop, 2 bottles of pop, 3 bottles of pop, 4 bottles of pop, 5 bottles of pop, 6 bottles of pop, 7 bottles of pop. So if you need to stop the video, rewind, and do that part 1 a couple more times, go ahead. When you're ready, we'll move on to part 2. Let me sing it for you once. Don't throw your junk in my backyard, my backyard, my backyard. Don't throw your junk in my backyard, my backyard's full. So if you notice, the first 2 measures of each line are the exact same. So we just have these little endings to learn. Listen to it one more time. Don't throw your junk in my backyard, my backyard, my backyard. Don't throw your junk in my backyard, my backyard's full. Sing it with me. 1, ready, go. Don't throw your junk in my backyard, my backyard, my backyard. Don't throw your junk in my backyard, my backyard's full. So just like on part 1, if you want to pause and rewind and go through part 2 a little more, go ahead. When you're ready, let's do part 3. Let me sing it for you. Fish and chips and vinegar, vinegar, vinegar. Fish and chips and vinegar, vinegar, pop. So just like at school, I know you guys like your vinegar on your French fries, because that's what chips means here. Fish and French fries, but that rhythm doesn't fit. So listen to it one more time. Fish and chips and vinegar, vinegar, vinegar. Fish and chips and vinegar, vinegar, pop. Sing it with me. 1, ready, go. Fish and chips and vinegar, vinegar, vinegar. Fish and chips and vinegar, vinegar, pop. So again, if you need to pause and do that part 3 a couple more times, go ahead. When you're ready, let's put it all together. So there I have each line, and again, if you choose to sing part 1, you follow the pink. Part 2, you follow the green. And part 3, you'll follow the orange. Now, something that I learned after doing last week's video was when I'm down in the corner singing, the recording was a little bit louder, so it was kind of hard to hear. So what I did was just recorded all 3 parts. So this is me singing part 1, here's part 2, and here's part 3. So I want to do it 3 times. The song's really short. We can do it 3 times. This time, sing along with part 1.
Don't throw your junk in my backyard, my backyard, my backyard. Don't throw your junk in my backyard's full.
Good. This time sing along with part 2. The don't throw your junk in my backyard. Part 2. Oops.
Don't throw your junk in my backyard, my backyard, my backyard. Don't throw your junk in my backyard's full.
Last time, Sing along with part 3.
Don't throw your junk in my backyard, my backyard, my backyard. Don't throw your junk in my backyard, my backyard's full.
So if we were in class, I would divide the class into threes and we would do all of that. If you have other people in your house that are willing to sing one of those parts, that'd be awesome. Even if you just have 2 people, you can do part 1 with part 2 and then switch, or do part 2 with part 3, then switch. If you're by yourself though doing the song, you can do just like what I did, and I did it 3 times and just sang each part by myself. So I really like that song. All right. I want to teach you this song. It's called Bim Bum Biddy. Those are the only 3 words in the entire song. And then there's like a body percussion part that goes with it. The alligator chant that we did a few weeks ago, I had several people email me videos of themselves doing it, and it was so cool. I wanted to give you another challenge with this. So I have the steps written up in the corner. First, we need to learn the tune. So, if you would let me, I have a piano app on my phone. Let's see if it shows. I have a piano app to get my first notes. Okay, let me sing it for you, okay? Bim bum biddy biddy bum biddy bum biddy biddy bum bim bum. Bim bum biddy biddy bum biddy bum biddy biddy bum bim bum. Bim bum biddy biddy bum biddy bum biddy biddy bum bim bum. Bim bum biddy biddy bum biddy bum biddy biddy bum bim bum. So it is definitely a challenge for us, okay? You might have to do it several times. You might only be able to do a line or 2 to start, and that's okay. So let me sing line 1, and then you echo line 1 back to me. Okay? So I'll do line 1, then you echo. Bim bum biddy biddy bum biddy bum biddy biddy bum bim bum. Your turn. Line 2. Bim bum biddy biddy bum biddy bum biddy biddy bum bim bum. My turn. Bim bum biddy biddy bum biddy bum biddy biddy bum bim bum. Bim bum biddy biddy bum biddy bum biddy biddy bum bim bum. So you might have to pause the video and do that several times before you add the next part in. Don't be afraid to do that. When you're ready, we'll move on to step 2, which is learning the moves. Okay? Every one of those words, bim, bum, biddy, has a body percussion. Bim is a clap, bum is a snap, and biddy is a pat in your lap. I'm going to do it down here on my desk because my lap's not in the shot. So we got to go slow, right? Let's start. Bim bum biddy biddy bum biddy bum biddy biddy bum bim bum. Line 2. Bim bum biddy biddy bum biddy bum biddy biddy bum bim bum. Line 3. Bim bum biddy biddy bum biddy bum biddy biddy bum bim bum. Bim bum biddy biddy bum biddy bum biddy biddy bum bim bum. Kind of impressed. I had to practice that, I'm not gonna lie. So that's our slower tempo. So if you need to pause and do that numerous times, totally fine. I do want to record it once at the faster tempo in case you get to that point. I understand not everybody's going to get to this faster tempo. That is okay. You can do that slower version. That's fine. Here's the faster one in case you're ready for the challenge. 1, 2, ready, go. Bim bum biddy biddy bum biddy bum biddy biddy bum bim bum. Bim bum biddy biddy bum biddy bum biddy biddy bum bim bum. Bim bum biddy biddy bum biddy bum biddy biddy bum bim bum. Bim bum, bitty bitty bum, bitty bum, bitty bitty bum, bim bum. And I know there's a few of you ready for the ultimate challenge. Again, you might not get to this. Bim bum, bitty bitty bum, bitty bum, bitty bitty bum, bim bum. Bim bum, bitty bum, bitty bum, bitty bum, bim bum. Bim bum, bitty bum, bitty bum, bitty bum, bim bum. Bim bum, bitty bum, bitty bum, bim bum. If you want, you can try it with me singing it and you doing the moves, or you can just let me do the moves and you sing it. Either one would be totally fine. So that is the end of our video. There's my email, just like I put in the other videos. If you would like to share a video or a picture of you doing one of the activities, that would be awesome. This is your only assignment for the week. You do not have a music paper to complete for the week. So if you want to email me a picture or video of you doing one of the songs from our video, that would be awesome. I will talk to you guys soon, and I hope you have a great week.